Having trouble updating Valorant because the internet speed is stuck at 0.1 kbps? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna walk you through fixing that snail-paced 0.1 kbps speed. So let's dive right in without any more delays. Solution 1. Before trying anything, reset the download. Solution 1. Before trying anything, restart the download. To do this, first close Riot Client. Then open up the system tray by clicking on the little arrow icon. Now right-click on Riot Client and select Exit. Next, right-click on Riot Vanguard and select Exit Vanguard. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. If not, clear the DNS cache from your computer. To do this, open up Command Prompt, and if you can't find it, just type CMD in the search bar. Now right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now type ipconfig, then space, then /flushdns. Don't worry, you can copy the command from the video's description below. Now hit Enter. Here you can see it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now close this window and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. If the speed is still stuck at 0.1 kbps, use an optimized DNS server. To do this, first open Command Prompt. If you can't find it, type CMD in the search bar and Command Prompt will be coming up. Click to open it. Now type ping space 1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum and average ping of this DNS. Next type ping space 8.8.8 and press Enter, and this will give you the minimum, maximum and average ping of these DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to the settings and click on Network and Internet, then click on Ethernet. Now scroll down a little and click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. From the top, select Manual. Now turn on IPv4 and check if it's turned off. Now turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to the alternate DNS. Here you type 1.1.1. Now here type 1.0.0.1. if you're using 1.1.1 DNS, but if you're using 8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now see if Valorant is updating. Solution 4. Still stuck? Uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard from your computer. To do this, open up your system tray by clicking on this little arrow icon. Then right-click on Riot Vanguard and click on Exit Vanguard. Next, a window will pop up and ask whether you want to continue. Click Yes. Now open Settings and click on Apps from the left side menu. Now click and Install Apps and scroll down. Near the end of the page, you will find Riot Vanguard. Click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Now a tiny window will pop up, click Uninstall from it. Then Riot Vanguard will ask permission. Just select Yes here. And another window will pop up asking whether you want to completely uninstall Riot Vanguard. Just like before, click on Yes, and Valorant Vanguard will be removed from your computer. Now reset your computer. After your computer turns on, open Riot Client. Click on Valorant. Here the Riot Client will tell you to update Valorant. Click on Update button and click on Yes to give permission. This will reinstall Vanguard and update your game. After that, reset your computer again. And folks, that's how you get Valorant update moving when it's stuck at 0.1 kilobyte per second. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you've got any question, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.